Hi, I'm Dr. Christine Hoffman, and today I'm going to talk to you about 5 easy ways to decrease neck and shoulder pain. In order to really keep people on track with decreasing their pain, however, you need to understand where pain comes from. There's many reasons why pain can develop in the neck and the shoulders. I'm going to show you a very common one that walks into my office on a daily basis, and it's the desk worker. So this is a typical pose where somebody sits at the desk all day long. Then they get a phone call, and then they leave the office and they drive home. You can see this position doesn't change, and when we're in this position day in and day out, we'll start to have shortening of the neck muscles, shortening of the pec muscles, and a weakening of the back muscles, because if you're not using them to support you, your body will stop using those muscles. So when these muscles start to get shortened and spastic, what happens is the deeper layer of muscles that actually attach to the bone will start to pull on the bone. And they can pull it laterally, they can pull it into rotation. Any way they pull it, it'll start to irritate the nerves that come out. That nerve irritation can be anywhere from extreme functional loss of the arm to just a pinching and a shooting pain that shoots into the shoulders and the arms and the hand. In general, what's most likely going to happen is you'll feel a local pain right in the neck, and in turn, when your body feels that local pain, it'll go further into spasm because your body actually protects itself from injury by going into muscle spasm. So now you have this pain, what to do about it? There's many methods that can get rid of neck and back pain. I'm going to show you the method that works great for me that I find most effective. And it begins with applying moist heat to help reduce the muscle spasms and loosen up the patient. We then move into some form of a myofascial release technique. I personally like to use an active release technique where I'm actually stripping out the muscles and lengthening the muscles so I can get that person back into their proper range of motion and decrease the spasm. Next, we do a chiropractic manipulation, which is a safe and effective way to reduce and remove the pressure off of the spinal nerves. After that, we move into various postural exercises that help to retrain and re-strengthen the muscles of the neck and the back so that we can prevent further injury in the future. Last but not least, I send people home with various stretches and exercises and modality that I like to use called a TENS unit, which uses electrical stimulation to continue to decrease the muscle spasms and prevent pain. After treatments like this, you're going to feel increase in range of motion, decrease in pain, increase in mental clarity and focus, because when we relieve the pressure off of those spinal nerves, you're going to think more clearly. Now I'm going to give you 5 quick and easy ways that you can start to prevent pain right now and start to rid of the pain that you currently have at your office or at home. The first one is get up from your desk. If you're sitting at your desk all day long, you need to be walking around. 5 minutes out of every 45 minutes should be spent walking around. Number 2 is posture. Posture is so important. If you picture a tall building, if that building starts to cave in, you can be sure that all the piping on the inside is going to get crushed. It's the same thing with your body. Number 3, use a correct pillow. The proper pillow at night should support your spine and not push your head into positions that create more tension on the muscles. Number 4, stretch. After you're done working out, in the morning, in the evening. Stretching should be as much a part of your daily routine as exercise. And number 5, last but not least, you need to eat healthy. If you're eating the proper foods that are anti-inflammatory in nature, they're going to help decrease your pain. And in turn, if you're eating foods that are pro-inflammatory, they're going to cause more and more pain throughout your day. So if you follow these 5 simple steps, you're going to feel better, you're going to function better, you're going to have less pain, and you're going to prevent the early degenerative spinal disease and the early arthritises that are already starting to set in from these muscle spasms that you're feeling today. So thanks for listening. I'm Dr. Christine Hoffman, and I'm happy to answer any questions for you.